Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Taste with Hera. Today's I'm gonna to show you a very easy and yummy sandwiches which is called chicken coleslaw sandwiches. This recipe is very easy and quick to make and very yummy and delicious to eat. So guys, when you will give these sandwiches for your kids to eat, they will love it. So these sandwiches you can make for breakfast easily in your home and for evening as a snack with tea for guests. So let's start the video and note the ingredients. For these sandwiches you will need bread slices. You can use brown bread if you want, and some boiled chicken pieces. I already shredded the pieces. And 1 bowl of mayonnaise, 1 small bowl of carrots, finely chopped 1 bowl of cabbage, some pieces of lettuce, and you will need black pepper 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon. You will need salt and Chinese salt 2-3 pinch. So first of all I'm taking a bowl, and then I'm taking first chicken, cabbage, and I'm gonna to take carrots, and black pepper, salt and Chinese salt, and I'm gonna to mix all ingredients very well. Mix all ingredients like that. And I'm gonna to add mayonnaise. Here I am using some milk. You can use milk or any cream because the cream and milk gives very creamy texture and sweet taste. And you mix all ingredients like that. Here I'm added more milk, so again mix. Our coleslaw is ready, you can see. Guys, I am not removing the bread edges. If you don't want the corner of breads, you can remove the bread corners. So spread all coleslaw on the bread evenly. And repeat the same process on the other slice. And I am putting 1 piece of lettuce on the bread, and put the other slice of bread. Now I am cutting the bread at the center. Now the sandwich are ready. So guys, make these sandwiches in your home and give me the comment on the comment section. I hope you will enjoy the recipe. So guys, I will see you soon with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.